So I've been deep diving into pellet grills for the past few weeks, and honestly, the market is kind of overwhelming right now. You've got Traeger pushing their premium tech, Pit Boss undercutting everyone on price, Weber jumping in with their SmokeFire line. It's a lot. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 pellet grills you can actually buy on Amazon in 2026, and I'm going to tell you exactly which one makes sense for your specific situation. I've got all the Amazon links down in the description below. Let's jump in. Starting with the big boy, the Traeger Ironwood XL. This thing is basically Traeger saying, we're done messing around. 924 square inches of cooking space, which is genuinely massive. We're talking 12 whole chickens or 9 racks of ribs at once. Like, that's legitimately insane capacity. What really stands out here is the smart combustion system. It's not just marketing. This thing holds temperatures stupid. Well, I'm talking 165 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and it just sits there. Doesn't swing wildly like some cheaper models. The WiFIRE technology means you're controlling everything from your phone, full touchscreen on the grill itself, and the Traeger app is actually good. Not clunky like some of these pellet grill apps. Super smoke mode is where it gets interesting. You literally just hit a button and it cranks up the smoke output. More wood-fired flavor without changing your temperature settings. And the easy clean grease and ash cake system? Okay, cleanup on pellet grills usually sucks, but this collects everything in one spot. No drip tray liner needed, which saves you money over time. The PAL pop and lock accessory rail is kind of genius too. You can customize this thing with different attachments. The Amazon link for this one is in the description, by the way. Definitely worth checking out if you're serious about grilling. Pros: massive 924 skewer and cooking area. Smart combustion holds temps precisely. WiFIRE app control works flawlessly. Super smoke mode boosts flavor instantly. Cons: premium price point, not cheap. Large footprint, needs patio space. Now let's talk about the Traeger Woodridge Pro. This is Traeger's newest line from 2026, and honestly, it feels like they heard everyone complaining about price and said, fine, here's something more reasonable. 970 square inches, so actually bigger than the Ironwood XL in terms of flat cooking space. That's 7 chickens or 9 rib racks, still plenty of room for most families. Temperature range goes up to 500 degrees with that same WiFIRE smart control, so you're not losing the app functionality. Here's what's cool: digital pellet sensor. It literally tells you when you're running low on pellets before you run out mid-cook, which, if you've ever run out of pellets during a 14-hour brisket, you know that's a game changer. Super smoke mode is here too, so you're still getting that enhanced wood flavor. The keep warm mode is surprisingly useful. Cook finishes early, it'll just hold your food at the perfect temperature. No dried out chicken because dinner got delayed. And they added better insulation on this model, so it performs better in cold weather or wind. Price wise, this sits right in that sweet spot. You're getting current gen Traeger tech without the Ironwood XL Premium. Pros: 970 skew and fits big cooks. Digital pellet sensor prevents runouts. Keep warm mode holds food perfectly. Better insulation for weather resistance. Cons: still a Traeger price tag. No PAL accessory system. Alright, now we're switching brands. The Boss Navigator 850 is where things get interesting from a value perspective. 932 square inches of cooking space, so we're still in that big range. But here's where Boss does things differently. That slide plate flame broiler. You can literally slide a plate and expose direct flame. We're talking up to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit for searing. That's insane. Most pellet grills top out way lower, so if you want to smoke a brisket low and slow, then sear steaks hot and fast on the same grill, this is your move. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity with the Boss app works fine. Not as polished as Traeger's, but it gets the job done. The hopper holds 30 pounds of pellets. That's huge. You can run this thing all day without refilling. And it's got this big viewing window, so you can see your pellet level without opening anything. Temperature range is 180 to 500 degrees with 5-degree increment control, which is pretty precise. Assembly is actually easier than some others. Folding shelves come included, ash cleanout is simple. And the price? Significantly less than either Traeger model, like noticeably less. Pros: flame broiler, hits 1000 degrees searing, 30 lb hopper lasts forever, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth app control. Great value for the features. Cons: app not as refined as Traeger. Temperature swings slightly more common. Let's talk Weber SmokeFire EX6, second generation. Weber's kind of the wild card here because they're traditionally known for gas grills and charcoal kettles, but they jumped into pellets hard. Temperature range is 200 to 600 degrees. Notice that upper limit, 600. That's hotter than most pellet grills go. Weber built this thing to sear properly. The dual grilling space gives you 672 square inches, which is smaller than the others, but the build quality is. It's Weber. Porcelain enamel finish, really solid construction. Weber Connect is their smart system. Step-by-step grilling assistance, tells you when to flip, when food's ready, all that. It's pretty hand-holdy if you're newer to grilling, which some people love. Smoke boost function adds extra smoke flavor when you want it. The easy clean system is actually well designed. Removable ash drawer, everything funnels down, no disassembly needed for basic cleaning. And honestly, the Weber name means something for warranty and customer service. But here's the thing, Weber had some issues with the first gen SmokeFire. Pellet bridging, occasional grease fires. Second gen fixed most of that, but some people are still hesitant. Understandable. Pros: 600 grit range sears incredibly well. Weber Connect guides new grillers. Smoke boost enhances smoke flavor. Excellent build quality and warranty. Cons: smaller 672 skin capacity. First gen reputation still lingers. Okay, last one. Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 36. This is the dark horse that a lot of serious pellet grill people actually prefer. 1,136 square inches. That's the biggest cooking area on this entire list. Absolutely massive. But here's the unique part. The integrated smoke box. Most pellet grills only burn pellets. This thing has a separate box where you can add wood chunks, wood chips, OR pellets. So you're getting actual offset smoker flavor if you want it. The smoke from chunks is just different. Deeper, more complex. If you've ever used a stick burner, you know what I'm talking about. This bridges that gap between pellet convenience and traditional smoke flavor. Full color Wi-Fi controller, Camp Chef Connect app. The PID controller lets you adjust your smoke number from 1 to 10. More smoke or tighter temps, you pick. The slide and grill feature gives you direct flame access like the Pit Boss. Stainless steel body, high grade stuff, weather resistant, fights rust better than painted steel. This thing is built to last outside year round. Price is competitive with the Navigator 850, maybe slightly higher depending on sales. But that smokebox feature is genuinely unique. Pros: huge 1,036 yard and cooking space. Smokebox adds wood chunks option. Adjustable smoke number controls flavor. Stainless steel body lasts longer. Cons: larger size needs more space. Learning curve with smokebox. Alright, so here's how I'd break this down. If you want the absolute best tech and don't mind paying for it, Traeger Ironwood XL. Premium everything, holds temps like a dream, that app experience is just smooth. Best value in current Traeger lineup, Woodridge Pro. You're getting 2026 tech, great features, and you're not paying the Ironwood premium. Best overall value and you want searing capability, Boss Navigator 850. That flame broiler is legit, the price is right, and 30-pound hopper is clutch. Best for high heat searing specifically, Weber SmokeFire EX6. That 600 degree range and Weber build quality win here. And if you're chasing authentic smoke flavor with pellet convenience, Camp Chef Woodwind Pro 36. That smoke box is a game changer, biggest capacity and stainless construction. Hopefully this helped you narrow down which pellet grill actually makes sense for your setup. Again, all the Amazon links are down in the description if you want to check current prices or read more reviews. If this was helpful, maybe drop a like or subscribe for more gear breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching, and yeah, happy grilling.